Hey, welcome back, everyone. It's really good to have you here today.
Yes, welcome. You can probably feel it already. Today's conversation is calm, but it's full of life.
I'm Mike,
And I'm Sarah.
and today we're talking about something very real, something very simple,
Your daily routine.
but not just any routine,
A daily routine in a small town,
that quiet life, that slow rhythm.
where mornings feel gentle and days move a little more slowly.
And we'll talk about it in easy, real English.
No stress, no fast talking.
Just two people having a natural conversation.
And before we really begin, just a small, friendly moment.
If these conversations help you feel more relaxed with English,
If listening here makes English feel human, not scary,
then you can like this episode, subscribe to the channel.
and share it with someone who's learning too.
That support helps us keep creating calm, real English for you.
All right, let's step into a small town.
So, Sarah, you live in a small town, right?
Yes, I do.
What's it like?
It's quiet, peaceful.
That already sounds nice.
Yeah, life in a small town feels slower.
Slower in a good way.
Exactly. People don't rush all the time.
They know each other.
They say hello, they stop and talk.
That's something many people miss in big cities. Let's talk about your day. From the beginning.
Okay.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
6:30.
Yes. Not too early, not too late.
That sounds balanced.
I wake up, stretch a little, and smile.
You smile in the morning?
Most days. It's quiet outside.
That quiet makes a difference. You said, I usually wake up.
Yes.
That's present simple.
Because it's my routine.
Something you do every day.
Exactly.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I make my bed.
Make my bed. Very simple.
Then I brush my teeth.
Brush. Brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
Wash my face.
And then I make tea.
Tea in the morning. Perfect small town energy.
Always tea.
What about breakfast?
I eat breakfast at home.
What do you usually eat?
Something simple. Bread, eggs, sometimes fruit.
That sounds healthy.
And I eat slowly.
Slow eating. That's rare these days.
In a small town, there's no rush.
What do you see outside in the morning?
I see small houses, trees, a few people walking.
Do you hear noise?
Not much. Birds, sometimes a dog barking.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I usually go for a short walk.
Go for a walk.
Yes, I walk around the neighborhood.
Do you meet people?
Yes, I see my neighbors.
Do you talk to them?
Of course, we say hello. Sometimes we stop and chat.
That's something special. Do you know everyone in your town?
Almost everyone.
That's dangerous.
Why?
You can't hide.
That's true. Everyone knows everything.
What about work?
I work in a small shop.
A small shop. Perfect.
I open the shop at 9.
And what do you do there?
I talk to customers. I help them. I arrange products.
Sounds friendly.
It is. Most customers are regulars.
So you know them well.
Yes, we talk about daily life.
You can hear something important here.
Simple verbs.
Wake up. Eat. Go. Work. Talk.
These verbs are everywhere.
And they're perfect for A1 learners. What about lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
At work?
Sometimes I go home.
What do you eat?
Rice, vegetables, soup.
Simple food again.
Yes, simple food, simple life.
How does the afternoon feel in a small town?
Very quiet.
Quieter than the morning?
Yes, people rest.
Shops close for a short time.
Exactly.
That's very different from big cities. Do you like this kind of life?
Yes, I really do.
Why?
Because it feels calm, safe, human.
That's a beautiful answer.
If you're listening right now,
You can practice with us.
say, I wake up at,
I eat breakfast at,
I work in,
I walk in my town.
all good sentences.
So in this first part,
We talked about mornings,
daily habits.
life in a small town.
In part 2,
We'll talk about evenings
free time.
and how the day slowly ends.
More stories.
More real conversation. So take a breath,
Let these words stay with you.
and when you're ready,
You know, there's something I really love about small towns in the evening.
me too.
The day feels complete.
And the world feels quieter.
Exactly. It's like the town exhales. So, Sarah, what happens after work?
After work, I close the shop.
What time is that?
Around 5:30.
That sounds nice.
It is. I lock the door, smile, and walk home.
Do you walk alone?
Most days, yes.
How does that feel?
Peaceful. The streets are calm.
What do you see when you walk home?
I see lights and the houses.
Warm lights.
Yes. I see children playing.
That's a lovely image.
Sometimes I see neighbors sitting outside, talking, laughing.
That's small town life. Do people still talk a lot in the evening?
Oh, yes.
About what?
About everything.
Weather?
Always?
Food?
Of course.
Other people?
Sometimes.
What do you do when you get home?
First, I change my clothes.
Best feeling.
Yes. Then I wash my hands and relax for a few minutes.
Do you sit?
Yes. I sit quietly.
No phone?
Sometimes no phone.
That's rare these days.
In a small town, it feels natural.
Let's talk about dinner.
Dinner is simple.
What do you usually eat?
I cook at home.
What do you cook?
Vegetables, rice, soup.
Healthy again.
Yes, I like simple food.
Do you eat alone?
Sometimes with family.
And how does that feel?
Comforting.
You can hear the pattern.
I come home, I cook dinner, I eat.
Short sentences.
Easy verbs.
Perfect for daily routine. What do you do after dinner?
I clean the kitchen.
Clean the kitchen?
Then I sit again.
What do you do then?
I watch TV or I read a book.
Nice options.
Sometimes I listen to music.
Quiet music?
Very quiet.
Do you feel safe in the evening?
Yes, very safe.
Why?
Because I know everyone and everyone knows me.
That connection matters.
It really does.
What about nighttime?
At night, the town becomes very quiet.
No noise?
Almost none.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, the nights are calm.
That sounds perfect. Do you think about your day before sleeping?
Sometimes.
What do you think about?
What I did. Who I talked to. Small moments.
That's a beautiful habit.
If you're listening, let's practice together.
You can say,
I wake up at.
I work in
I eat lunch at.
the evening,
At night, I.
That's a full daily routine.
Some people think small towns are boring.
Do you think so?
No,
Why not?
because quiet doesn't mean empty.
It means peaceful.
Exactly.
Maybe your life is different.
Maybe you live in a city.
Or another country.
That's okay.
You can still talk about your routine.
In simple English.
Before we finish, just one small reminder.
If this conversation helped you feel calm,
If it helped you understand daily routine English,
please like the video and subscribe.
your support truly helps us.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
For listening, for learning, for trying.
Remember,
You don't need fast English,
you need real English.
and you're already speaking it.
See you next time. Take care.